Hi, I'm Courtney Case with Freeman. We are the general service contractor for your upcoming event. We've partnered closely with Emerald to provide short videos around trends and best practices, and today is all about booth design tips. My first recommendation is studying the show floor. Understand where you're located in regards to the front entrance of the hall, drive aisles, main activations, and even your competition. It's important to design and build with the appropriate orientation. The next tip is hanging signs. Do you own a hanging sign? If not, I highly recommend investing in one. You can use them for multiple years, and what it does is it allows for you to really stand out and rise above the noise on the trade show floor. Exhibitors can spot you from across the hall. As you start planning your marketing campaign for your upcoming event, don't be shy. Lean into bold, bright graphics. Here's a perfect example of an exhibitor that was on more of a traditional show floor, and what they wanted to do was make a splash and get all the attention, and they sure did. Graphics aren't the only thing to do eye-catching things at your show. You can also use LED lighting, whether it's lighting within the space or above. Don't be shy. It definitely captures the attention of the attendee. And last but certainly not least, let's talk all things audiovisual. So perhaps you have a theater in your space, or you need to demo a certain product, or you're just looking for a monitor to showcase the sizzle reel. Audiovisual is a great storytelling tool for you to use. We appreciate you tuning in, and thank you so much. For more tips and insights, you can visit the resource collection for exhibitors below.